I said beep, beep, sheep is... Okay, today we will be checking out the update. And I'm already in the wild, so I've already checked it out a little bit. But it's...
No, get more keys. Rapidly shoot out keys, okay? And I'll put them in, okay? Rapid shoot out keys. Shoot more keys.
Yeah, so this is the search. I'm joking. I know how to read. Research facility. Oh my god, my mouth is not mouthing right now. This is the research facility. Can I have a radiation detector?
I don't know. What is this? Anybody have...
Yeah, I don't have blubber yet. So
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Is that watering under there? I see. Oh, I already bought this.
There's one over here, I remember.
I am green now.
I'm green, yeah.
Wait, bro, can I have a radiation detector? Can I have a radiation detector?
How do you get a key?
Bro, please, can I have a radiation detector? No. But I thought I saw you on my friends list. You're like Kai something. Please.
Where do you get keys from?
Okay,
I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna go look for the new buttcoin stashes. I don't have them.
What do you mean you don't have them, bro? You have the bundle on. Do you not see the thing here? Do you not see the thing here?
Well, no, I don't. Can anybody give me something?
Can I have the radiation detector?
I don't have that.
I don't own it. I'm sorry.
Same, I don't own that.
Bro, I saw you on my friends list.
I don't even know you. Can I have it? A key! I got a key, guys! Wait, come over.
Open it! Wait, open it! How do I get back up?
Okay.
Are you radiated?
Let me back up. Please.
Skibbity dop. Bro, who gave you the radiation detector? Guys, I got a key! Who gave you the radiation detector?
I put an explosion bomb.
Me. Not me. Could you give me one?
No.
Could you open this up? Give me it.
No. My special radioactive.
No.
No.
Bro.
You have to drop down.
Stop. Press that button. Press that button. Press that button right there. To make the nuke, you have to add an explosion bomb with this radioactive bomb, and it makes a nuke. Look, I'm about to nuke this guy. Kaboom!
What does that do?
Okay, well. Bro! Who has the bundle? Bro, could you please give me the radiation detector?
Help me. No. Wait, can you
Open the door! Open the door!
Hey, wait,
Could you give me the radiation detector?
I know what.
Could you give me the radiation detector, Kai?
No here. Run.
Come here.
Kai, could you give me the radiation detector?
I don't have them.
What do you mean?
Why do we run?
Comment down below.
No, here.
Yes!
Okay, it's in the tree. It's up.
Hey, bro, can I have that purple key?
Purple keys.
Yeah, you just have to give me a red one. Oh, what one?
Mikey.
I know about
Hi.
Let me go get the red one.
You are not radioactive.
I wish I was.
Give me the red.
And I wonder.
Oh my god, he's radioactive. Oh my god.
Okay, now open this gate. You're radioactive.
Open this gate.
Hold on. Radiation is my name. I like to be radioactive. Yeah.
Sorry about that. I just got too excited. Run!
Be baby.
If I'm cringe, say